Windows has a secret hoarding problem. From the very first hour you boot up your PC, it starts generating ghost files in hidden directories that it never bothers to delete. We aren't talking about a few kilobytes, we're talking about thousands of files that can choke your system's performance. Today, I'm showing you the 3 deep layer folders Windows doesn't want you to mess with and how to purge them in under 2 minutes. No downloads, no third-party cleaners, just built-in tools. Under the hood, Windows is constantly trying to be helpful. Every time you launch an application, the system creates a small tracking file known as a prefetch file. It dumps these into a hidden folder so it can preload that app faster the next time you click it. It sounds smart until you realize that when you uninstall an app, that prefetch file stays behind forever. It becomes a ghost in your system. On top of that, every software update, every installer, and every background process generates scratch files in 2 separate temp folders. They are supposed to be temporary, but most of them just sit there. And indefinitely, we are cleaning all 3 right now. And I've got a bonus step at the end that proves exactly how much digital garbage we've removed. Step 1 is the prefetch folder. Press your Windows key and R at the same time to bring up the Run box. Now don't try to find this folder by clicking through File Explorer. Windows hides it on purpose to keep people out. Type exactly prefetch and hit Enter. You'll see a box asking for administrator permission. Click Continue. This is a protected system area, so that's totally normal. Before you delete a single thing, do this. Right-click any empty space, select Properties, and take a look at the folder size. Remember that number. Now, hit Ctrl+A to highlight everything. Then hold Shift and hit Delete. Using Shift is key because it bypasses the recycle bin, freeing up that space instantly. If a box pops up saying a file is in use, just hit Skip. Those are files Windows is using right this second. Step 2. Your personal temp folder. This is usually the biggest goldmine for reclaimed space. Open the Run box again with Windows and R. Type %temp, make sure you include the % signs on both sides and hit Enter. This shortcut works on every version of Windows regardless of your username. Look at the mess in here. You'll find leftovers from crashed installers, failed updates, and apps that didn't clean up after themselves. On a PC that hasn't been cleaned in a year, this folder can easily hold several gigabytes of pure junk. Hit Ctrl+A, then delete. Again, just skip any files that the system says are currently locked. By the way, if you want Windows to handle this specific folder automatically in the future, I have a separate guide on using Storage Sense to automate this. I'll link that at the end. Step 3 is the system-wide temp folder. This is separate from your user files and is used by Windows itself. Open the Run box one last time and type %window\temp. Then hit Enter, grant that admin permission again, and you know the drill. Ctrl+A, then Shift+Delete, skip the locked files, and let the rest go. Your core system folders are now officially empty. Now for that bonus step I promised. Go to your Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and run as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. This clears out your DNS cache, which is basically a map of every website you've visited. It won't free up gigs of space, but it can fix those weird connection glitches and make your browser feel snappier. That is exactly how much dead weight you just cut from your PC. No paid tools, no risk, and Windows will simply recreate the files it actually needs. Drop your number in the comments. How much did you recover? I read every single one.